lost the glove. I didn't. It's covered in snow now, though. Bang it off here. Chilies. There's not really much places I can push yours up there. In the helmet, no. No. Okay. I'll sit you down again for a second and just start squatting. Did it. We're driving again. Whoa. Drift in it. This is a beautiful bike. Now we gotta push it back into its hidey hole. Ugh, bugger. Push it in here because this tarp's been deteriorating. Only reason I park it in here. Hold it. I'm alone today, so no one can hold the camera for me, unlike the other radio with the but only reason it gets parked in here for the winter is because it blocks the snow from burying it in. So I'll park it in here during winter and then take it out. And it'll sit next to the shed or outside somewhere when it's not snowing. But to protect me from having to root it from it freezing around or being buried under a 1.5 foot of snow or something, I put it in here. If I can get it back in. Woo! You know, who knew this quad could be so heavy, especially when you're slipping and sliding in the snow. But it's a good quad. It's a Yamaha, a Raptor. 350. Yeah, good bike. Okay, now we'll walk our way back to the house. We'll see the duckies and then end this video off. There you are. Hi, duckies! Hi, duckies! Oh, you little buggers. No, I need to go that way. No. No, I need to go this way. No. No, hi. Silly duckies. Okay. Come into the shop. Take our helmet. Set it up with the other ones and just like that. Well, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. And hopefully next time that I film, I'll have maybe a GoPro on my helmet or something, so that it's a little easier for me to film. I'm not filming with one hand on my phone. But I wasn't going fast, and it wasn't that hard, so, well, I'll make more videos about it. Anyways, see you guys next time. Bye.